let's unbox some kitchen garden gears. Here's the package. Okay, I need a scissor. We can cut. Okay, it's kind of tough. They look big. They are huge in size. I could not accept. Another thing, they are that size of. Means we can hang them in plants. We can put plants inside them and then hang them on our walls, and it's very efficient, right? And they give us something else with that. It's pens. Okay. So it's okay. This is for my artwork. I forget it. I cannot believe it. They put 2 parcels in a one bag. I thought I just received this one, but I received pens too. Here we go, pens and my kitchen pots. So let's unbox them further. Little harder. I'm not a Hulk anyway. Here we go. We just remove this and few more cuts. Look at the shining. They are quite nice. Okay. Like this. They are like a tiny bag, like a tiny handbag. Oh, this is my bag, but actually it's a box. It's quite nice. I like it. I think I can grow on garlic there for sure, coriander and other little veggies for winters. And I got them 5 of the color, 2 yellow, 2 white, 1 red, and it's beautiful. See you next time.